Welcome to another lesson on multiplying by powers of 10 this time with Super Salchicha, Super Cat and me, Miss Cat. So the first question is, what are the powers of 10? Well, the powers of 10 are 10, which is 1 times 10, 100, 10 times 10, and 1,000, 10 times 10 times 10. And we can go on and add more multiplications by 10 to get bigger numbers. But these are the ones we're going to work with today. You can remember these easily by thinking about these blocks that you probably used when you were in grades 2 or 3 for 10, 100 and 1,000. So here's Super Cat with our first problem. What is 63 times 10? And he wants to know what happens to numbers when we multiply them by 10. Well, let's look at our example here. We've got 63, 6 in the tens and 3 in the units. When we multiply by 10, all of our numbers move one place to the left. Let's see that work. So the 6 tens become 6 hundreds, the 3 units become 3 tens, and here in this unit space, you guessed it, we need to put a 0, and the 0 is our super strong placeholder. So our answer to 63 times 10 is 630. All of our units, all of our tens have moved one place to the left. In this next example with Super Salchicha here, we've got 75 times 100. And she wants to know what happens to numbers when we multiply them by 100. So this time, rather than moving one place to the left, as we're multiplying by 100, we're going to make things move 2 places to the left. So the 7 tens moves to the thousand space, the 5 units moves to the hundred space, and in the units and the tens spaces, we need to add 2 placeholder zeros. There they are, nice and strong, holding what was our 75 in place, so that it's now 7,500. Here's our third example. I'm sure you can guess what's going to happen here. Super Salchicha and Super Cat want to know what is 97 times 1,000. So we know to multiply by 10, we need to move one place to the left, and to multiply 1 by 100, we need to move 2 places to the left. This time we've got 1,000, so this time we need to move, you guessed it, 3 places to the left. So let's see what happens to our 97. So the 9 is going to move 1, 2, 3 places to be in the 10,000s column. The 7 is going to move 1, 2, 3 places to be in the thousands column. And what do we need to put here? Well, we need to put, of course, our 1, 2, 3 placeholders. There they are, nice and strong, holding what was 97 in place, that it is now 97,000. So it seems quite simple, really, right? Well, let's check. Because sometimes people have a big misconception about multiplying by powers of 10, even adults. So, like Super Cat says here, when I multiply by 10, 100 or 1,000, I just add zeros. But let's see what Super Salchicha is saying. She says, but 84 plus 0 is 84. And 563 plus 0 equals 563. You're not right, Super Cat. And Super Cat is not right. So let's check this misconception. Super Salchicha, she says, when we multiply by powers of 10, we are making the number 10, 100 or 1,000 times bigger than it was before. We're not just adding zeros. Let's look at our examples. So 84 times 10, we know is 840. 840 is 10 times bigger than 84. And in the second example, 563 times 100 is 56,300, and that's 100 times bigger than 563. We haven't just added 2 zeros, because 563 plus 0 would be 563. So, what's the rule? When it comes to multiplying by powers of 10, we're moving different places to the left. And that leaves us with the conclusion that 0 really in this case is the hero.